Good morning, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful night's rest. Um, today is the 14th. Oh, sorry. Today is the 14th of November, 14th of November, 2024. Okay, um, today is the 14th of November, 2024. We're looking at some high impact news. We looked at November 14th, high impact news on Australian dollar today. Their employment change was negative, which was a bad sign for Australian dollar. Last month was, it keeps coming down, right? It was way lower than the actual, than the forecast. So Australian dollar was weak around 1:30 a.m. So if you're trading Australian dollar, you should experience a massive decline in that on that pair or on that currency. So by 2:30 p.m. today, we are also expecting high impact news on core PPI for three high impact news coming up today by 2:30 p.m. And we are having core PPI, which is purchasing power index. So core PPI. And this news is also part of what is being used to determine the level of inflation in the United States. So core PPI is 230, then we have PPI and also unemployment claims. So this impacts this news also. It caused a lot of movement in the market, just like what CPI did yesterday, although it was not as active. I'm going to explain what happened in that CPI yesterday. And also by 9 p.m., we're going to have Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, will speak by 9 p.m. Also by 10 p.m., Bank of England Governor Bailey will also talk. So my experience volatility around 9 p.m., where it's 1 hour to the end of New York session. So we might experience that, and also 10 p.m. also. So both of them are having a session by 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. Okay, so 2:30 p.m. They're expecting a high impact news on United States dollar. So let's go to our charts to see what the market is saying. Can you see my chart? Can you all see my chart?
Yes, we can see it very well.
Yes.
Good morning.
No, okay, good morning. Okay, so yesterday was so massive. I know the dollar effect is being, what is pushing the dollar up is fundamental and due to the fact that Donald Trump won the election. So Donald Trump winning the election is what has been pushing the US dollar up. Okay, so Donald Trump winning the election is what has been pushing the US dollar up. And currently, we are still having sort of so much bullish sentiment for dollar. So dollar is still remaining bullish, and I think it has broken this weekly resistance. Anything can happen. I don't see any fundamental that can push this down anymore. The dollar has shown its strength. The dollar has shown its strength. This is what I called a changeover, right? So on a weekly time frame, so we are going to be very, very bullish, and probably the next resistance to look out for in dollar indices might be here on weekly time frame. So dollar is very, very bullish, right? And it's due to the effect of Donald Trump. I would love to expect a pullback before the continuations continue. I'd love to expect a pullback of USDX because this movement is a divergence move, right? It's a divergence move. I'll just love market to hopefully retrace down to this level or probably this level and continue moving to the upside. But then we never can tell what will literally happen at the moment. So that is why we still need to be very, very patient while handling these dollar indices. So what I'm anticipating this morning, quite all right. I've not seen anything yet. I only saw a rejection of this support level. I only saw a rejection, which might sign as continuations to the upside. If you look at 15 minutes time frame, we might see that retracement occur. But the retracement on the outer space is what I am looking towards, right? A retracement on the outer space, like breaking out this compressional move, because this move is not showing absence of bias, right? This is depicting the absence of bias in the market. So I'll just love the break, retest, retrace down to this level, sorry, this level, and market start moving to the upside. So that is what I would love to see for this morning before the New York session. Okay, so let's look at some pairs to see if we can have some trading opportunities, to see if we can have the market movement or market sentiment and all that. So weekly time frame on Euro USD market has been so bearish. We have this sentiment, and this is a sign of bearish continuations. When it comes to candles, this is a sign of bearish continuations. And you can see how market has broken all level resistances that have been recorded. Hopefully, we could have market get to this zone. Hopefully, we could have market get to this level, 105029. So I'm very bearish on Euro USD. I'd love to see a proper retracement before I enter into the market. So I'm very bearish on Euro USD. I just want market to tap into probably this resistance of this zone, right? And once market gets to that level, then I'll wait for a proper rejection before selling. So 1.05625 is the area I am looking towards for a proper sell for Euro USD. Okay, so currently we have a break of this structure, and without I have a short buy to 1.05625 if we want to take that scalp. But I wouldn't love to risk it. It's just about 16 pips. I don't love to risk it. So I would rather wait for market checking at this resistance before I sell off. USD Okay, so USD what I'm looking towards, we are still very bullish, right? We are still extremely bullish. In fact, um, this this is a sign of strong movement. This is a sign of strong movement. This is the reason why we are having much bullish sentiment in dollar. And this level one, right? We could expect a possible retracement of this zone, which is the highest high, so 0.89811 at the regions I'll look towards. I actually felt market will reject this level, 0.8388389, I mean 839, and market broke out yesterday, and also we are still heading to the top. This is because of Donald Trump's emergence, so dollar is going to be strengthened. We see one, and here they are also key level areas. So 0.89117 is the first destination I would love to see if sellers are coming on board for USD So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Also the same thing, we are market rejecting this level and a bullish engulfing candle coming up, signifying that this supply zone has returned to demand zone and the momentum is still very bullish. So the momentum is still bullish. We just hope for a proper retracement. I'd love to see the retracement happening around here. So once I see a rejection, I am going to buy USD So I'll still wait, right? I'm still going to wait to see what will literally happen. Okay, so what happened yesterday for the CPI was because the data was the same. I'm tempted to say we should sell USD at the moment. I'm tempted to say we should sell USD at the moment because of this pattern I saw. Okay, let's take a short sell. It's a short sell for USD CHF. SL is here, right? So CP1 here, CP2, let's see here. So let's see. Here's CHF 12 pips to get 10 pips and 19 pips. Here's cost of what I saw here. I mean, this is a risky entry, it's a risky trade. Okay, so if you want to take it, you can take it with a very small lot size. You know, um, I'm selling because of that rejection, but something is happening here. I'm selling because of this rejection and this candle broke retracement, a breakout, a retracement. We could have a sell here. First breakout, second breakout. Okay. I mean, selling USCHF is not a bad idea though, but this is a high risk trade. So please put with small lot size. Okay. It's just about 8 pips. SL 0.88790. TP1 0.88601. TP2 0.88484. Okay. Okay, yeah, inside the cell. And your stop loss is here. And CPU is here. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. It's just a risky entry. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Um, so let's look at USD card. Please, you can send in the number of the pairs you want us to look out for. You can tell us, write in the number of pairs you want us to look out for. Same thing, GBP is quite bearish. Daily time frame, you can see we are still very, very bearish on GBP USD. Okay, gold and GBP JPY, okay. 4 hours time frame. Everything is still pointing down to the sell side. And for GBP USD, I would love to see an entry around here. Around 1.27350 region. That's why I love to see an entry for GBP USD. So we have a break here, right? And market rejecting this level. This is a very, very good entry pattern for me. And that's why I am saying that I would just love to just wait, hold on, because this entirely is a good entry pattern for me for a proper buy for GBP USD. Well, I gave a risky signal at the first time, so I don't want to, drop another high, I mean, high or risky entry at the other time. So let's see how this will play out. Hopefully, we could have a buy stop around here, but I'm hoping to see. I just wanted to enter the retracement, so hoping to see something like this. Then, boom. Then we have continuations to the downside because the the pound dollar, it's very, very bearish. So let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Hmm. So gold is very bearish. We have a strong sell. We have a strong sell on gold, and judging by everything, says that gold has started its bearish sentiment. So we have a break of structure here. We also have to see a retracement at this 2.5 at this level, 2513 region before we continue buying. So 4 hours time frame. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so hoping for a proper retracement for gold. Gold is very, very bearish. We're hoping for a proper retracement before entering into the market. So probably retrace and boom to the other side. So the retracement might not be as expected, right? The retracement might not be as expected, or probably we could get a retracement here at 2573.38 region. So we are still very, very bearish. You can see that area is a strong zone for me. We are still very, very bearish for gold. We are still very, very bearish. You can see this is an inside bar. So we are still very, very bearish for gold. Let's just hope to see this. Then probably market continue moving to the downside. So that is the for gold for me. So somebody said GBP JPY. Let's look at GBP JPY. I mean, JPY pairs is currently at this weekly resistance, right? And for daily time frame, do we have a break of structure? We have a break, and market also rejecting this level. So what are we anticipating? I'm anticipating a retracement to this top. I'm bullish on GBP JPY. I would love to see most bullish buyers. No. Okay. This is equal low, also serving as this level. So I'm going to take this. This low was not broken. So we might be very, very bullish. We might be looking towards some bullish sentiment for GBP JPY. Because that low was not broken. So we have equal lows and market could continue moving to the top. So if this candle rejects this zone, if this candle rejects this zone, then we're going to buy GBP JPY more. So let's see if we have a bullish engulfing candle, then we're going to buy. But if we don't, and it means we are selling off GBP JPY because this has already broken this structure, but created a higher high at this supply zone, this level here. So the situation is kind of dicey. We just need to wait to see what will happen. If this candle closes with a bullish engulfing candle, then we buy. But if it doesn't, while we have this rejection, then I'm sorry, we are going to sell GBP JPY. So let's be patient. Let me put my inside bar, my inside bar. Okay. Okay, so we can see we are having a whole lot here. So we need market to kind of reject or form a bullish engulfing candle before we know what we're doing. You can see there's a rejection. I think we have a rejection inside this level. So I think this will give us more room to sell GBP JPY. But let's see what we happen to this zone. We could use a sell stop for GBP JPY, but let's see what will happen at that level if it's broken. But I think GBP/JPY could sell because of this. This is a strong resistance, supply zone. Market forming different kind of rejections at this level. If this level is broken, then we sell GBP/JPY. Our first TP will be here. Our first TP will be at 197.502, and probably we could take a small stop loss out here. So let's see. Or could you use a sell stop order for GBP/JPY? But I'm still looking towards selling though. So let's see what we have at this moment. Okay, so GBP/USD could move as planned. We had a signal on USD/CHF, which I dropped, a short sell signal. I think we are in profit. How many of us are in profit? How many of us are in profit for USD/CHF? Hello? USD/CHF is a good sell. USD/CHF is a very, very good sell. That's good. Okay, so I think I'll have to drop this USD/CHF because I know that's a good entry pattern for me. But yeah, you can enter now. You can enter now because I know that's a very good entry pattern for me. But it's just I was selling GPJP and to say it was bullish. I now close profit. Now you are bearish like me. Sometimes it's just good to have a very, very in-depth or good insight about JPY pairs. The thing is, JPY pairs has their own movement. JPY pairs has their movement. So I'm not going to drop this on the funded client group. So I'm going to drop another signal on the funded client group. So if you're not on the funded clients group, try and, fund your account and make sure you are being added to the funded client group. So make sure you have been added to the funded client group. USDCHF, we took a sell right now. So let me take it now. Sell USDCHF. Sell USDCHF at CMP. CMP now. SL. What's the SL I gave earlier? What's the SL I gave earlier? Okay.
0.88.
Yeah,
0.88389.
790. So for the funded client, I'm releasing the ticket. Please mute yourself.
It's not to wait to.
No problem. I've seen it, ma'am. I've seen it, ma'am. Thank you.
I've seen it. 0.88790.
790, yes. So TP1, you take TP1, 0.88590. TP2, TP2, 0.88448. Okay. Thank you for today. I think that's all. Thanks for today. PU Prime offers a whole lot for those people that are starting. We are having a beginners class today by 7 p.m. Boot camp. Please kindly join. If you have not joined before, try and join. PU Prime offers a very, very good services for its client. And if you are not on the funded client group, we are enjoying multiple signals. At least we'll be having profits back to back on with PU Prime. So please join funded client group so you can be added to our signal group. My name is Michael. You can also follow us on YouTube on PU Prime Africa. Have a wonderful trading day. Yes, someone wants to say something.
Yeah, I'm trying to say that how can I join the group?
You have to be a funded client. Once you've funded your account, then you can now join the group. Just speak to your account manager, then they will add you to the group.
Okay.
Thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading time. Good morning.
Sorry, please, I want to ask something. I'm a funded client, though, but I'm a beginner. How can I join the beginners bootcamp?
The link will be sent today. The link will be sent today. Okay. All you just need to do, just join the link. Okay. And register by 7 p.m. Once we start, we will inform everybody and we have access to join.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, everybody have a wonderful trading time. Good morning.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. God bless you.
And you too. Bye. Oh, sorry, AUDJPY. Maybe during the New York session, please. Thank you.